Well, good morning, gang. It is a beautiful but pretty brisk Friday morning. I'm in southern Wisconsin today. Yesterday I was fishing in northern Illinois, and I drove about another hour north to meet up with the two guys that introduced me to muskie fishing, that being Robbie and Lee from Today's Angler. Anyway, I'm fishing with them today, but we aren't fishing for muskie. We're actually fishing for a fish that looks a little bit different than muskie, a little bit less teeth, not as long, maybe just not as beautiful in general, but it's a fun fish, and it's a fish that I've always wanted to catch through the ice since I was a kid. Should be fun. Getting all bibbed up right now, putting on my gear, and then I'm gonna meet them down the river, and hopefully we catch some fish. It's gonna be a good day of fishing, guys. Stay tuned. What does the mark look like on the screen? It's pretty fat and ugly. Yeah. Pretty big.
We're only in like 6 to 8 feet, so.
Oh, water.
Yeah.
So this is pretty shallow.
Yep.
The first time I ever went ice fishing, I think that was probably, oh my God, don't make me do it. Was it like 10 years ago? Maybe 13 years ago. The first time I went ice fishing was with my dad, and we went on this lake for crappie. Let's just say we didn't know what we were doing. But the one thing that I remember about that day, the first time I was out on the ice, was there was this guy next to us, and he had like this old fashioned, what'd you call it, like a Swedish style rod? It was like
Swedish, yeah.
They're like, they sell them at like
Swiss
rods. You can buy them for like $5, like the whole setup with the line, the spring bobber and everything. And this guy was right next to us, and he was smoking carp. That is the fish that we'll be after. I've never hooked, I've never caught a carp through the ice. I can count how many carp I've caught in my entire lifetime just on my hands. So this is gonna be really cool. How's the jigging work?
Pretty much it's
We're not using that, are we?
Oh yeah.
No way, for carp?
White twister tail with a nice little stinger hook on the back with some heavy mono to keep it straight out.
Dude, shut up, are you serious?
Oh yeah. And then we'll throw a couple kernels of corn on there and 10-pound mono.
Okay.
Pretty simple system.
And they're grubbing down there. They're like actually feeding, and like they feed you.
It's like
around.
an eddy right here. Just, you know, you'll see them when they come through, and it'll be pop, pop. You'll get multiples at one time.
My hands are getting cold. I'm gonna put the camera down, put the chest mount on, and get to jigging. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm excited as all hell. Look at the lure we're using for these carp. This looks like something that, I don't even know what you'd use for, like maybe walleye, maybe big aggressive smallmouth. I just wanna know how you thought of this. Like, what, you just like wake up in the morning like, I'm gonna throw a big grub for a carp. A little bit of corn on a grub, a treble hook as a stinger. That's something else. Oh! Yeah, this is a celebratory sausage. Would you like me to spot you? I've never lipped a carp through the ice.
It's just like grabbing a trout. You want to move a little bit? It's two-handed.
This is good. All my experience in the Milwaukee Harbor is gonna pay off right now.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh, shoot.
Squeeze them and like hoist them really quick.
Yeah. I saw just its right side.
Oh!
That's the closest we've gotten.
Yeah.
I was too early on the summer saucy. I should have waited.
Oh, you brought it out though. That's when it bit.
That was cool.
Oh man. Okay.
Oh no. I'm really liking your oh my God, choice of snacks are on point today, Lee. You don't have some like ham sandwich and like here's some Lay's. No, you don't f around. Oh look at Bud. I'm sorry. These ones are stuck together, so I'm just gonna have to take two. Oh my God. Guys, if any of you out there have the pleasure of fishing with Lee and Robbie, you can definitely count on having some of the best snacks. Buffalo jerky, chewy, Reese's peanut butter cups, Chips Ahoy, and cashews. And if the bite's slow, at least the actual bite is pretty hot, as in the snacks. Oh man, that's so good. Well, what's up, gang? It's time for your midday daily dose of an update. I want to say it's been slow, but it really hasn't. We've had some pretty crazy stuff go on. One thing I want to mention is there are 150% carp in this area. In fact, there is a school moving back and forth right under me. I still I'm having a hard time just wrapping my head around this. Like, I saw him hook 2 fish. You know, and obviously this is a technique that works, but it's just like what the hell is going on with this? This is crazy, and this has kind of been the main tactic for today. Like, most of the bites and most of the action we've had have been on the walleye and corn hybrid rig. It's kind of a pain to get these guys to commit and bite, but once you do hook into one, it's so rewarding. Like, just the sound of that drag knocking ice off the spool is just very gnarly. What do you got? Looks like you're hooked on bottom right now. Here.
It's so different than any other.
Yeah, right.
fishing.
You got nothing to base off too. This is your first ever carp.
Right.
So
Yeah,
you're not
it's
like,
the first time ever.
you're like, oh, it's a bigger or small one. You have no clue. I don't know how it's hooked though. It kind of looked a little funky.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh.
Is it her left or?
Yeah. It's a big fish though.
Just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this.
Right. Okay. Are we doing this right now?
Woo! That's a big one. Oh, it just popped right out. Did you see that? That was all tension.
That was crazy. Wow. That is my biggest carp
That's
ever.
crazy.
Thank you, John.
Yeah, you bet.
Hey, I netted your first muskie and you got
Yeah,
my
I got your first
ice
carp.
That worked. Oh my
She's
gosh,
ready.
it just fills that whole.
Nice job.
Oh, dude.
Congrats.
I wish it was in the mouth, but you know, well, you'll have that.
We're gonna take them anyway.
All
we can
day.
get 'em.
Yeah, oh yeah.
All day, so.
Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Oh, like legit 100% a bite too. Oh man. Is this the 8-inch hole?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Banger. Way to go. Why'd you have to bring the 8-inch auger?
Oh, I just pressed the record button. That's why that happened.
Robbie, don't hit record. Fish come off when you hit record.
What happened?
Oh.
It just came off.
Why did it do that? We worked really hard for that fish. Oh my goodness. Robbie, thanks for recording.
Yeah.
We were a little late on that.
A little late.
Didn't really matter anyway.
Wow, that's.
If I would have known, I wouldn't even had you pick up the camera, but that was my first hookup. Like legit hookup, like Rod went like that. It's gonna happen. I'm on. Oh my God, he just came off.
No.
What in the oh my God, dude, it was instant. Like he came right up on it. It was like no hesitation.
Really?
As soon as they, yeah, look at that. Ate the back treble. Oh, Otto.
Reel just failed for a second, so
Okay.
just be ready.
Okay.
So that handle doesn't go
Yeah.
backwards.
Oh boy.
Let's just take our time, put
Yeah.
light pressure.
Yup. Jeez.
The window is definitely open right now.
Oh, it's on. Was it 5 minutes after I lost my second carp, which was hooked for a solid 0.5 seconds? One of the autos goes off. The drop shot corn ring. Is that what it was? Drop
Yeah.
shot? Had some shoulders on her.
That one just caught too, but it's not loaded. Oh, it's on. It's on.
It's on. Double. Go. You get it. You get it. I'll handle this. He's on. It's a double. So here's my question, Robbie. What's going to happen if a third one goes off?
I don't
What if a third one goes off?
really know what's happening. I got 2 cameras in my
Gonna ask one of these guys from the house to come out and film for us. Yo, this is a great problem. This is the best kind of problem right now. Carp under the ice. Lee's hooked up. I'm hooked up. Cue the moment where another auto goes off, and Robbie's gonna be like, oh God, what do I do? What do I do? This is not a light rod either. Oh God, it scares me every time that rod goes up.
Have you seen it, Lee? Are you guys fighting each other?
Are we? I don't know what's. Do you think we? There's no way.
Because I'm gaining and you're not getting pulled.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah. No, I am getting pulled. No, we are hooked. Look it. We're hooked right now.
No.
Yeah, we are. Wait, so he's.
I'm so confused.
All right, this is so funky. What a mess.
Alright.
What a cluster.
Okay, well, we'll just
What a
Go to this-
mess.
You know what?
Oh man,
Wow, this has to be a big.
It's a decent fish. It's good.
We haven't even.
Like what?
it's exciting.
Yeah, it
I love
is.
this.
If we lose this, I'm going home.
You
I
lost one,
quit,
I lost
man.
one.
I quit.
We pectoraled another.
I can't believe it was that far, but obviously it was.
Wow, like look at that.
Yeah.
Something's going on here. Either it's a giant or we have quite a doozy of a foul hook. We're just gonna sit here for a bit, I guess.
You can't get anything.
Dude, like, look at that. I almost just want to hand this off to someone. Does this guy want to take the rod? Ask him if he wants to fight for a bit. Lee's like, take it easy. You know, don't fight her too much. Now he's just like freaking boat flip it. Get her up, get her top side.
Boat flipper.
Get her top side on the slush.
Come on, you gotta be able to get something.
I can't. I'm trying.
Is it like hitting another line? No.
I don't know what the is going on, but this is the most thing I've ever had going on. Like, dude, I don't know what is going on here, but
It's gaining.
it's quite special. Okay.
You wanted to get hooked up.
Thanks, Robbie. Thanks, Lee. This is epic, dude. This is just so nuts. I knew they fought, but like, what the hell? I mean, this is my first rodeo, but it does feel like I'm actually trying to work her in.
Here we go.
Okay,
Here we go.
We're getting vertical.
We're getting closer. Don't lose her. Don't lose her.
Oh, she's coming up.
John, don't lose her.
Stop, dude. Shut the back.
Whoa, what happened there?
Oh, it's just really big. Look how big that fish is.
Oh my God.
That's a really big one, dude. Okay, let's play this game. Where's the hook at? Is it in the
Is it in the
Is it in the
mouth or
tail?
is it
Is it in the
not?
pectoral? Do we have an anus hook?
There she is.
Got
There
a
she is.
King Kong size carp.
Gosh,
Are
it
you
is
kidding me?
giant.
It's so big. Oh, it's so big
my
though.
gosh. I don't even know what I'm gonna
It's a
do.
whale.
How are we gonna
wait.
do this?
It's
Dude, so
it's
big.
not gonna
It's like-
fit.
It's not gonna fit.
No.
It's
no.
not
Oh my
gonna-
Lee,
God.
it's not gonna fit.
It's
Oh my
not
God.
gonna fit. Look at
Guys.
this. Look at that.
Look at the gut on that thing.
That's insane.
So we've identified that it is a massive carp. Unfortunately, like Robbie's, it is hooked in the pectoral. A little bit of wingspan hookage there, but it is a massive fish. And just being able to pull a massive fish like this up on the ice is really sick. So we're gonna show you guys how giant this fish is and how big these fish are that are down there feeding right now. I'm losing my mind right now.
So big.
At least.
I want to just see it. Like we can't get a good idea as to like how big it is even in the hole. Like
Oh, that's so cold.
Lee,
I can't get it.
You're killing me right.
Wait, I saw a gill open. Oh no.
This is hard to watch.
It's geometry.
I got
kids.
it.
Oh no. No
You
way.
got
I got it.
Holy
I got her.
huge. Look at this thing.
John, I'll let you get a hold of it.
Look at the size of that carp.
Wow.
This is the beast that's living down there. Can you believe that? Unfortunately, it was hooked in the pectoral, but who cares? Like you said, the biggest one you've ever seen, right?
Oh yeah, without a doubt.
What the hell? It's like 20 pounds all day. 20 pounds plus. Going for the release.
Good.
Oh my God. As bummed out as I am that fish was snagged, it's just cool to see. I mean, we're laughing about it now because it was just major chaos. Lee is in my car warming up. He's like losing his mind because of how freaking cold it is. Huge shout out to Lee for grabbing it. Huge shout out to Robbie for filming. I was just there like laughing my ass off at the pandemonium that was taking place. The important thing about what just happened there is we got to see a massive carp, probably the biggest carp, actually hands down the biggest carp I've ever seen come out of the ice. I had two 100% that actually bit it a few minutes back, but I do not think they were as even like remotely close as to how big that one was. Definitely. All right, well, thank you guys so much. Take care. See ya. Oh, wow. I feel like I got slapped in the face with sandpaper. Oh my God. If you guys want to see any of their videos, check the link in the description below. They got some awesome videos. They're primarily muskie anglers, but they'll do just about anything. Of course, Exhibit A. So if you're into muskie or like toothy fish or anything of that matter, these are the guys you want to watch. I had a lot of fun today. I hope you guys enjoyed and had fun watching this video. I've got one more day here in Illinois. I'm gonna be fishing with a viewer tomorrow in an area or in a lake that's not too far from this area back in Illinois. Okay, so I am rolling out of here. Thanks, Wisconsin, so much for the big, beautiful, bodacious carp. I'm peacing out. I'm gonna hit the road. I gotta put this car into drive, and I will catch you guys next time on the next episode. Take care, be safe, catch lots of fish, and as always, keep fishing, never stop.